Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your WordPress website go live. First, select a dependable web hosting provider that fits your needs. Next, install WordPress onto your chosen hosting platform, which is often a one-click process. Finally, configure crucial initial settings such as your site title, tagline, and permalink structure to ensure a smooth start for your online presence. Once WordPress is set up, begin adding your core content, including pages, blog posts, and any images or videos. Then, choose a WordPress theme that aligns with your brand and customize its appearance to reflect your vision. Don't forget to install essential plugins for enhanced functionality, like contact forms, and for robust security measures to protect your site. Before going live, optimize all your images and content to ensure fast loading speeds, which is crucial for user experience. Thoroughly test every aspect of your website, including all forms, internal and external links, and the entire navigation menu. Also, implement basic search engine optimization settings to help your site rank better in search results from day one. The final steps involve backing up your entire WordPress website to safeguard your hard work. Then, change your site's visibility settings from private to public, making it accessible to everyone online. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. After launch, continuously monitor your site's performance and keep all themes and plugins updated for optimal security and functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.